Increasingly, organisations have a real need to capture and share incidents and data remotely. However, even within a single operation, access to camera and sensor data is often limited to one control location. And the ability to correlate information from multiple sources is at best time-consuming and at worst simply not possible. Now, with next-generation technology from ETCorp, multiple systems can be fully integrated, enabling intelligent monitoring, capture and sharing of both video and sensor data. ETCorp's GPAC system is a cost-effective software-based solution for the collection, distribution and management of multiple source data streams, including live video feeds. It enables on-demand delivery to authorized users anywhere in the world via a simple web browser. Cameras and sensors can be set to record on triggers, an intelligent monitoring approach that allows automated capture of sporadic human behavior, saving time and money. And the technology can provide instant recall of selected incidents without the need to trawl through hours of data to find a single event. The unique and flexible GPAC system is capable of many different applications, and being a distributed system is not limited by available bandwidth, so it can grow with your needs. ETCorp is based in Perth, Western Australia, on the doorstep of the dynamic Asia-Pacific region and home to many of the world's largest mining operations. Its specialist design team develops unique solutions that simplify your processes. The GPAC system puts you in control. A growing network of strategic partners and resellers is helping to ensure that the GPAC system is providing integration solutions to an international client base in industries as diverse as surveillance, defence, policing, emergency services, environmental monitoring and local government. More and more pressure is being applied to local government authorities to be proactive in what is essentially community policing. The City of Belmont in Western Australia had been looking for a cost-effective solution that would allow them to record on-the-spot video feeds of incidents for use as prosecution evidence. ETCorp's solution for the council involved the installation of the GPAC system and remote cameras on patrol vehicles. A live feed from the system ensures that security patrols can respond to alerts immediately, cutting response times. This real-time footage can also be shared instantly with external stakeholders, such as the police, enabling faster response and the capture of quality evidence. Belmont's GPAC system is also being used to monitor temporary and permanent fixed locations for antisocial behaviour like graffiti and other acts of vandalism. In emergency situations, the GPAC system can play a valuable role in disaster management and crowd control and monitoring, enabling emergency authorities to view the live browser video feeds and plan an appropriate response. For the Western Australian Department of Environment and Conservation, information transmitted by the GPAC system has proved invaluable in enabling its response centre to provide immediate action in highly dangerous situations. In incidents involving suspected dangerous emissions, the pollution control officers are able to transmit on-the-spot video footage from the vehicle camera and the operator's helmet camera, as well as air toxicity readings from the vehicle sensors. Back at the base, the duty officer can direct the operator as required, ensuring all relevant information is secured and enabling him to make informed decisions on the appropriate action to take. In emergency situations, other service providers, including fire and police, are able to access the DEC video feeds and put a coordinated emergency response plan into action as teams make their way to the emergency site. The GPAC system enables true interoperability between agencies. As well as the mobile response units, DEC also use the GPAC system to control a range of environmental sensors at sensitive and strategic locations throughout their area of responsibility. In the event of elevated emissions, the GPAC system sends immediate information to base, as well as alerting on-call personnel via email and SMS. And because of its flexibility, there is a GPAC system solution for almost every situation, such as the remote monitoring of industrial and residential property. By adding a GPAC system to coordinate security cameras and sensors, Wherever they are in the world, owners can log on via a laptop, PDA, even an internet cafe, and view a live feed of security cameras, data from a fire protection system, weather station, water tank levels, and any other sensors they choose to add. And because it's browser accessible over the internet, other authorized people can keep an eye on things too. In the event of a security sensor being triggered, the owners and anyone else they add to the system can be alerted by an immediate email or text message. Regardless of the type or brand of monitoring or security equipment, the GPAC system will coordinate data from multiple sources. And as long as there's an internet connection, using a web browser, it's all at your fingertips. A major benefit of the GPAC system is that it has been developed to work behind your existing systems, with an almost infinite capability to integrate data from new sources as you introduce them. While the information is simple to retrieve, access to specific data sources can be restricted to relevantly authorized personnel. And because of its unique integration abilities, information from multiple sources can be displayed in the browser at the same time. Take an industrial installation with a mixture of fixed and mobile assets. It is highly likely to have a number of security, safety and environmental monitoring devices in operation, all separate systems, each with its own point of control. There may be security cameras in areas like the stores and access gates. Trucks are fitted with GPS systems designed to monitor speed and vehicle location. Air quality monitoring measures emission levels. And access to certain areas may be controlled with swipe cards. By using a GPAC system, data or video feeds from each of these individual monitoring and security devices can be accessed via the GPAC system web browser. And information from the feeds can be easily accessed remotely over the internet by authorized personnel. For example, head office management may require instant information on traffic patterns and air quality. They can remotely grab real-time feeds from any of the installation's cameras and sensors to give an immediate picture of the situation. Whatever your area of operation, the GPAC system can be configured to give you access to your data from anywhere at any time. It can be used straight out of the box as a plug-and-play solution, or ETCorp and its partner organisations will work with you to configure a system that specifically meets your needs, providing a solution that links equipment and systems you already have in place, or helping you to create a new built-for-purpose installation with off-the-shelf hardware or sensors. Informed decision-making can be the difference between success and failure, or even life and death. While the GPAC system from ETCorp can't make decisions for you, it will make sure you have all the available information on which to base your response. The GPAC system from ETCorp. It's much more than video.